What's up, fam? It's your girl, and you're welcome to my channel. Please stay tuned. Hello, lovely family.
Hey, oh, Bruniba, my God.
You're welcome to my channel. Thank you if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Well, today's video, I'm going to be teaching you 3 amazing ways of patching, repairing your damaged clothes without taking them to the tailor yourself. And I'm going to be doing something extra with my friend, and that's a secret, so stay tuned. And oh, I made this dress myself. Like and leave a comment if it's nice to you. I can't dance. So now I made dots, and right now I'm taking a needle through the first dot, connecting to the next dot, and then I pull the needle from under and out to the next dot just by it. Then I take it across to the next dot on the other side, then under it to the next dot on the other side, like that. At the end, I take the needle out from the middle and I run the needle again through the button to the top of the last stitch that I made, and taking it back down, out, and continuing in the same sequence till I get to the end, like it looks now. So the patch is covered and it looks beautiful. So this is what it looks now, but it would have looked much better with a woolen thread, but this works too. This is called the chain stitch. Now I took the needle out from the button. I made like a knot as you were seeing on the video. Then I took it out and I continued in the same sequence. Then I took it out. Now when it got to where I was okay with my stitches, I just pulled the needle out and I take my knots out. After that, I pulled it and it looks nice, I think. Now I took the needle from the button, made a normal stitch, and when I brought the needle out, I left an inch, brought it from the button out, and took it back to the first stitch that I made and continued in the same sequence. Ta-da! This is my baby girl, Claudia. Now this is a t-shirt that she had for a while and wasn't using. She was like, it's so boring. I was like, let me do something about it. And here we are. First style. Looks beautiful. Gifted. Now this is the second style. At this point, I really stress this to Sharon. Big sis. Thank you. This one is feeling herself. This one is feeling herself. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at your girl. Worker. Like, comment, like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.